Hello everyone, welcome to Whole Mama Meals. Today I want to show you how to make hummus. 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/4 cup of lemon. If you want to add more, it's up to your taste. I like it lemony, so I add more lemon. Beating it with the processor first. Just slowly, scrub these sides. Don't worry. You can 3 tablespoons first of olive oil. Put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of hot chili. This is up to your taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper. I did 3 cloves. If you want to do more, I love garlic, so I can add more than that. But you mix it all together. See how it is? Oh, very mush. Now you add half of, this is a can, 1 can. So I'm gonna add just half of a can. When everything is mixed together, add the other half of chickpeas. It's 1 tablespoon of cumin. I love cumin. Don't get scared or hesitate. Three tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons of water for now, and you're gonna see the consistency. Let's see. 1 tablespoon water. This is good to eat it with the pita bread, delicious. So I want to try it and tell you, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Spicy, delicious. Try it. You're not gonna be sorry. If you don't like spicy, don't put the chili pepper, okay? Don't put it. That one is just optional, okay? Just try it. I like it a little bit spice with a little bit lemony. I love it. This is 1 can of hummus. That's how much it makes. It's good. I mean, for like 4 people to 6 people. The rest, just wipe it with the bread and eat it. Don't waste it. Then if you want, you just make a small hole in here. See how it is? And pour the olive oil here. See how it is? And then sprinkle here. So just garnish it with cilantro. a little bit of chickpeas. Leave some chickpeas before you put the whole can. If you don't have it, if you have it, doesn't matter. But you don't want to open another can and then you don't use it, it goes to waste. You know, just take, you know, a couple. Just, you can garnish it with cumin and cinnamon if you like. It's up to your taste. You can eat it with pita bread. It's very delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.